Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change administrator on Windows 10. So normally there are two types of accounts on Windows. One is the administrator and the other one is standard. The administrator account can control everything and change every setting on your Windows. To make a standard account to an administrator account, you'll firstly need to search for control panel. Open up control panel. Now you'll need to click on user accounts. Here it will show you the account that is being used. To see all of the accounts, click on manage another account. Now here it will show you all of the accounts that you have logged into Windows. If you only have one account, you can add a new account by clicking on add a new user in PC settings. Here you can click on add a family member and enter the details, and the account will show up in this area. Now currently this account is administrator. Now to make this account administrator, simply click on the account. Here you will see a bunch of options. You need to click on change the account type. This account is currently the standard account. Click on the administrator and make it an administrator account, and then click on change account type. If you want to remove the other account from administrator, you can again do the same process, make it standard and click on change account type. Now as you can see, this account has been changed from standard to administrator, and this account has been changed from administrator to a standard.